Motorola Edge 40 Neo. The Motorola Edge 40 Neo is positioned as a mid-range smartphone that blends modern features with an affordable price point. The device features a 6.55-inch OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and FHD+ resolution. The Edge HDR10 Plus support enhances media consumption, offering deeper contrast and improved color accuracy when watching HDR content. The device features IP68 water resistance, protecting it from dust, dirt, and submersion in water. Capture every moment with the 50MP ultra-pixel camera, delivering sharp and vibrant photos in any light. Enjoy super-fast 68 AA turbo power charging, giving you all-day battery life in just 15 minutes. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset, paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM. It handles light gaming well, but for more graphically intensive games, the performance is solid but not flagship level. Dolby Atmos audio ensures immersive sound quality for your favorite movies, shows, and games. Motorola includes some useful customization features, such as Moto Actions, gestures for shortcuts, and Moto Display for glanceable information. Dual SIM capability and 256GB storage provide flexibility and ample space for all your needs. Rated 4.3 stars. Order today for €281.71. Link in the description.